Gold and silver are everywhere right now. On the news, on YouTube. In times of crisis, everyone talks about them. Unfortunately, most people approach them the wrong way. In this video, we built the foundation. Simple, clear, practical. Stacking is investing in physical gold and silver, but not in the way most people think. It's not about quick profits. It's about protecting your savings over time. In simple terms, you are not trying to grow your money fast. You are trying to keep what you already earned. And for some people, it turns saving from numbers on a screen into something real, something you can hold in your hands. Stacking is not trading. It's not speculation. It's not chasing price spikes. You are not trying to outsmart the market. You are stepping outside of it. Which means you are not buying because the price is going up. And you are not selling because the price is going down. You are not reacting to the market. You are ignoring the noise. And the words you use matter. If you think like a collector, you start paying for rarity, design, history, and stories. That usually means higher prices and more money lost when you sell. But if you think like a stacker, you focus on value. A stacker usually tries to buy as close to the spot price as possible. The spot price is the current market price of gold or silver, without any extra costs. When you buy physical metal, you usually pay a bit more. That difference is called the premium. We'll break it down in detail in the next videos. And there is a reason for that. Many beginners make the same mistake. They buy collectible or decorative pieces and pay much more than metal is worth. There is nothing wrong with that if you are a collector. But for stacker, it usually means losing more money when you sell. Gold and silver are not the same. Gold is stability. It carries value in a compact form and has been trusted for centuries. In simple terms, it's easier to store and easier to protect and move larger value. Silver is different. It has a strong industrial role and tends to be more volatile. But it's also more accessible, which means you can start with smaller amounts, but prices can move more. Throughout history, currencies have changed, systems have come and gone, but gold has remained. In other words, what people trust may change, but gold has kept its role over time. This is a foundation. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into coins and bars, pricing, mistakes, and how to buy smart, step by step. And remember, stacking is not about making money. It's about not losing it. And for that, you need patience, discipline, long-term thinking. This is Old World Bullion from Europe. See you next time.